want you just maybe like a temporary moment, yeah. But I'm just wondering there is something that success means but long term for you, not a temporary moment. I just know like you have something in this day you can feel happy, but the long term for it, you happy? Yeah.
Okay, very nice question. So, what is your definition of success in short term and long term? So, in short term, as long I'm happy, I'm successful, sister. As long as I learn a lot from someone or from a book, so I'm happy, I'm successful this day. So, what is the long term period? So, what is the success for your opinion? Yeah. So, very good question. So, yeah. For me, yeah, as human being, of course, we need something, yeah, as achievement, as being a success people. So, for me, in my dream, in long term, I'm gonna make institutions in Sabah.
Sabah. Sabah.
Yeah,
Okay.
why?
Are you from Sabah?
Yes, very good question. So I will ask both of your questions. So why I really want to make one institution from Sabah? Because as we know that Sabah is one of destinations, tourism destinations around Indonesia. It's a quite famous place around Indonesia. But all of the guides, all of the guides or how to say the people guide,
Tourist guide.
tourism guide,
Tourism
in
guide.
Sabah, they are not educated people.
Oh,
Yeah,
very
but
sad.
their English is completely good.
Yeah,
But
sure.
we need to train them. Yeah, their English is